Alright guys, so today for basically an updated C.N.G tip for you. Well, obviously just got done doing another overhead. Surprise there, but that's not quite what this video is about today. Today it's going to be an updated version of our harness connectors. Now as you can see, this one's gumped full of crap. What that comes from is, as I knock my mic and probably screw things up, that comes from is somebody putting dielectric grease in your connectors, which hook up to your ignition coils. Now I'm going to have part numbers for all the pack connectors and everything else in here, along with the ignition coils, extensions, all that jazz down in the description box below. But what it also does is it also gunks up inside on the contacts on the ignition coil itself. Now, of course, somebody's got to start up a truck. Get some things swapped around here. So one thing about that, well, you're supposed to put these on dry. So I've got to get a bottle of contact cleaner, clean out all the contacts on all 6 pigtails and all 6 ignition coils and extensions. And gonna have fun with that. So I've got them to order a bottle of the QD electrode cleaner. Hopefully I can get these things cleaned up enough, because yeah, you need a good solid contact rather than somebody gumping dielectric grease all in this thing. So just remember, these go on dry, no dielectric grease. Part numbers for the connectors and the terminals down below, along with the coils themselves. Anyways guys, C.N.G tip of the week: shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. If you screw something up, someone could die.